where you are asked to come up with the nuclear decay reaction, the natural transmutation of a particular radioisotope. So you could be given the radioisotope's symbol with its mass, or the radioisotope's name hyphen the mass. So the first thing you need to do is look up the decay mode, and there's no guessing. Go straight to your table N. So I know that I'm starting off with the radioisotope of iron, Fe. And based on the information, I know it has a mass of 53. And then going to table N, I see that its decay mode, it's a funny looking B with a positive sign. So that means that this is a positron decay mode. So what I put in the equation, okay, I can find what it looks like on table O. So I'm going to put the E down for electron, carries a mass of 0 and a +1. Now I need to figure out the mass and atomic number and the symbol of the new atom that is formed. So to do that, I also need to know Fe's atomic number. So I look on the periodic table and I find that Fe's atomic number is 26. So my new structure, the positron takes none of iron's 53 AMUs. So my new structure has a mass of 53, but the positron affects the atomic number as a +1. So whatever I put here, this number plus a +1 needs to equal 26. So if I put a 25 here, 25 plus a +1 will get me to 26. So now I need to look on the periodic table and look up the element that has an atomic number of 25. And when I look that up, it uses a symbol of Mn, manganese 53. So the next example, I'm going to work through a very similar process. So here it says hydrogen-3. So if you're not sure of the symbol, if you go to your table N and you look at the most right-hand column, you will see you will find the name hydrogen-3, and you look at your most left-hand column, it will give you the symbol of capital H with a mass of 3. We put that in the upper left. And then when I look up the decay mode, the hydrogen-3, it supplies a decay mode. It's that funny looking B, but a minus sign. So then I can go to table O, which will tell me this is a beta decay, and the symbol for it is also an E with a mass of 0, but the superscript is a minus, or I'm sorry, the subscript of how it affects the atomic number is a -1. So now my job is to figure out when the hydrogen-3 emits this beta particle, what is the new atom that is formed. So in order to do this, I need to know hydrogen's atomic number. So I look on the periodic table and its atomic number is 1. So positron takes none of hydrogen's mass of 3, so the new atom has a mass of 3. The beta particle affects the atomic number as a -1. So whatever number I put here plus the -1 needs to add up to 1. So if I put an atomic number of 2, 2 plus -1 leaves me with 1. So my new atom has an atomic number of 2, or 2 protons. So when I go and look on the periodic table, the atom that has an atomic number of 2 is He.